What's up? What's up? Hello world! Ayan, nagbabalik na naman ako sa next session for this video. I will assemble for other vacuum moving the sofa. So I'll show you guys what now this one floor. So all I have to do is take out kung paano siya i-take out. This one, aside for that, I'm using this one for floor, for sofa. Takpak natin yun dyan. And guys, it's not guys, it's like the vacuum feeding it. So I'll show you how to barasan ang sofa. Patay lubat. Lupa. Lupa. Ganun lang siya kabarkads. Actually guys, I'm using cloth because some of the dust is not really take out of the vacuum, but I have to use this, right? Kasi kay importante din na may basang cloth, yeah? For security, for the dust, how to remove. Yan. Kasi kung iasalalay mo rin sa vacuum, ayan. Isalalay mo rin sa vacuum, not totally, it's good, but you have to depend some of cloth. But actually, wala akong amo. So it's time for me to rest, you know. But I'm hardworking person. Hindi kasi ako kibot na kibot. Gusto ko yung exercise sa katawan. So even my employer not here, I'm still doing something to do exercise. Yo. So ayan guys, I'll be back. So if you like my video, thumb ups mga bangay. Subscribe below. Right? So, shout out ko din pala yung mga friend dyan. Hello. My family in Philippines. Hello. So, mabuhay kayo guys. All mabuhay lahat. So, shout out ko sa mga friend ko dyan na medyo makukulit, matitigas. So, shout out ako dyan sa kanila. So, just love. All I can see is just love. Huwag na yung away-away. Malas yun. Right?